Alright guys, let's continue. Exercise 5.3b. So I'll show you how to solve the exercise 5.3b, or we can do it together. So get ready with your pen or your pencil in a piece of paper. Right, so we do it together. Exercise 5.3. An ambulance service located at the edge of town is responsible for serving HR office in the downtown area. A driver found that when 5 trips getting from ambulance to HR office using route A give an average of 5.9 minutes with a standard deviation 1.5 minutes. So from here, you know that there is route A. Route A, 5 trips, so n equals to 5, give an average x bar 5.9 minutes with a standard deviation 1.5 minutes. While using route B give an average 4.2 minutes. So 4.2 minutes with a standard deviation 1.8 minutes. Assuming normal population with unequal standard deviation, is there any significant difference between the two routes? Different. So there are two keywords here. First, unequal standard deviation. So sigma 1 not equals to sigma 2. Is there any significant difference? Equal and unequal between the two routes. There is no alpha given. So alpha equals to 0.05. Okay. So we want to test, is there any difference between these two routes? So what is the hypothesis? So we can do that. The hypothesis, H null, H1. We want to test, is there any difference? So mu root A is not equals to mu root B. Or mu A equals to mu B. So we want to test this hypothesis. Is there any different? Adakah dia berbeza ataupun sama je menggunakan kedua-dua jalan? Okay, this one is step number 1. So what is step number 2? Do you remember? Step number 2 is test statistic. So test statistic, which formula we want to use? So what is the information that we have here? We have this information, equal standard deviation, equal population variance, and we have the sample size 5 and less than 30. So look at the formula. So which formula? So you cannot use the first formula. Sigma square is not given. Can we use second and third formula? Yes, because this one unequal. So we can use either this formula or this formula. Our n equals to 5. So n less than 30. So which formula? Z test or t test? Pandai. So this formula t test. So this formula t test and t alpha nu. So notice that the nu, formula for nu is here, yang panjang-panjang ni. Okay. So step number 2. Step number 2, t test is equals to x bar A minus x bar B minus mu naught over square root SA square over NA plus SB square over NB. Substitute all the information. 5.9 minus 4.2 minus 0 over 1.4 square over 5 plus 1.8 square over 5. So here you will get 1.6670. Make sure you press your calculator correctly. Right, this is your t test. Step number 3. Your critical value. One tail or two tail? One tail or two tail? Two tail. Okay, two tail. Two shaded region. negative and positive. Okay, T alpha over 2, no. Why alpha over 2? Because of 2 tail. So you have to find the nu. Nu is equal to 7.545. How I found this nu? I use this formula, this one. So make sure you put the value correctly, and then you will get the nu is equals to 7.5425. And then you have to round it down. It will become 7. So T 0.0257 is equals to 2.3646. So here 2.3646, here is positive 2.3646. Right. Step 4. Reject or accept H null. Reject or accept H null. So look at here. Our t-test is 1.6670. Where is 1.6670? Is it in the shaded region or in the unshaded region? 1.6670 lagi kecil daripada 2.3646 dan lagi besar daripada negatif 2.3646. So the t-test is located here. 1.6670. It's less than 2.3646 and more than negative 2.3646. So acceptance region, accept H null. Since t-test is 1.6670 less than, so I'll put here step 4. Since t-test is 1.6670, so how I want to do it, this one. So make it like this. Step 4. Since t-test is less equals to 1.6670 less than t 0.0257 2.3646 and greater than negative t 0.0257 negative 1 point negative 2 point negative 2.3646 do not reject H null or we accept H null. So what happen if you accept H null? Get back here. You accept H null, so you reject the claim. So you accept this one. Is there any different? No. Mu A is equals to mu B. So you can answer step 5 at alpha 0.05. There is no difference between root A and root B. Done.